Hey everyone, it's Michelle here, and welcome to Mindful Mondays. First things first, I'm going to apologize for what sounds like a frog in my throat. I do believe I might be coming down with a little something end of year cold, but I did want to make sure I got this video out to you because today is the last day of 2018. And so tomorrow we embark on a new year. And first and foremost, I wanted to just say Happy New Year to all of my family and all of my friends, to my yoga students and to my yoga community. You all mean a lot to me, the world to me actually, and I'm extremely grateful for all that you do for me each and every day of each year. Um, During this time of year, it can be a little tricky for those of us that struggle with anxiety. Whether you are scrolling through Facebook or going to a party tonight or just talking with family and friends, more likely than not, folks are going to bring up your 2019 goals, right? What's your goal for next year? And for those of us with anxiety, thinking about a goal for the following year, the upcoming year rather, can be anxiety ridden. It can make it feel unattainable and a little bit hard to wrap your head around. And so I'd like to offer some tips and tricks to set goals for yourself for 2019 without it being too overwhelming. And the way to really do that is to break it down into pieces and to do it mindfully. So if you have a really big goal for 2019, that's wonderful. But the way to achieve it is to actually take that goal and break it down into smaller steps, and then work toward each of those smaller steps throughout the year. So don't think that you're going to set a goal for 2019 and have it accomplished in the first few weeks of January. Think about it as a long-term objective. So how can you take your big goal and break it down into smaller steps? I find that sometimes when I have a big project ahead of me or when I have a big goal in front of me, it can get very overwhelming to think about all of the things that have to happen in order to meet those goals. But if I take it down into the steps that it takes to get there, and I just focus in on that one step, that one present moment step that I'm working toward, it's much, much easier. And then before you know it, it'll be the end of 2019 and you'll be looking back and saying, wow, I can't believe I accomplished all of that this year. So I hope that's helpful. Know too that it's also okay if you're feeling super overwhelmed this time of year to not go ahead and set goals for 2019 and to just really enjoy the present moment. Enjoy the day, enjoy the moment, enjoy whatever it is that you're doing today. And then worry about tomorrow, and do tomorrow when tomorrow comes. So I hope that's helpful. Again, I wish you all a wonderful and happy 2019. Happy New Year. And if you want any more information, you can always go over to my website, thepathtoserenity.com, and you can find out tips and tricks there, watch my webinar, read my blog, lots of stuff out there for you. Wonderful. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.